So today I am visiting Bays Mountain, a recreational area and planetarium. It's actually a habitat. Not only is it trails all around the lake, but also it's a habitat for a lot of different animals like deer, wolves, different birds. Today I'm actually going to show you one of the most popular trails because it's short. The whole thing is about 3 miles, 3.2 miles, but it's to the fire tower. So there's a fire tower trail. A little later I'll show you one of the loop trails in this park as well that is really popular. It goes around a lake. Alright, so I'm quickly gonna take the trail to the fire tower. We'll take a look at that view. Hopefully the fire tower is open. The views are supposed to be beautiful, but it's not always open, so we'll find out.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in sand.
So this little bridge we're crossing right at the edge of the lake. I'll show you on the map where it is. This sort of goes around the edge of the lake, and then we're going to go up the other side before we kind of branch off and head toward the fire tower. It's a very beautiful trail. I think year-round this is a great hike. A lot of people actually run here as well.
Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. Down the road, there's sunshine and light.
It's labeled as Hemlock Trail, the one that goes to the tower. I have a feeling because of the hemlock trees. It is a really beautiful forest here, an older forest. It's a really nice walk to this tower, so I would recommend, I think coming back, I'm probably going to take a right at that intersection and continue around the lake. That way you're not covering as much of the same ground. You get to cross the dam, which is kind of cool. It's a beautiful view all the way around, but especially from the dam. But first we got to get to the tower.
Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you. Ooh.
So as you can see, this is quite a climb up to the fire tower. So it's a short trail, but it's a little bit of a workout. It's actually kind of fun to hike this one. I think this may become one of my more regular workouts during the week. It's a beautiful trail, so no complaints, and I'm definitely going to be back often.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind?
So behind me, one side of the tower is the Johnson City area, Kingsport, all in that direction. As you go around, and by the way, I'm staying at the edge. Not that the boards are bad, they are old, but I don't trust them enough to trust my life to them. So staying on the edge. But behind me, of course, is the Unicoi direction with those beautiful mountains in the Cherokee National Forest. These views are, I mean, it's 360 all the way around. It's just beautiful. I wouldn't be doing any kung fu forms in here, jumping up and down on these boards, but the tower, I mean, some of the stairs were repaired. They keep it in good repair. I was just joking about it being rotted out. It's actually in good condition. A lot of the other reviewers on All Trails said it's rickety. It can feel rickety in some places, but it's solid. It is beautiful. It's well worth the climb up the mountain and the tower. Highly recommend it. I think this is probably one of my best views now. I thought it was Lone Oak, Buffalo Mountain, but not even close. This is beautiful, and you can see why they actually used these a long time ago, because you can easily see rising smoke. There's actually some rising smoke over there, so this is fully remarkable. Fully remarkable. This is just beautiful.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
All right, so I'm gonna get down. I can see the deer are still down in there. You can't, they're fighting. They're fighting. You can actually see them fighting. They're just playing. It's almost like they're training. That's kind of cool. It's like a couple of brothers just messing around training. So I'm gonna head down to the lake now and take that right. So I'm gonna go the rest of the way around the lake once we get down there, so I can show you the dam. So let's get down to the lake and then take that right, and then check out the rest of the views around the lake.
I feel better every day. The troubles I had have been washed away. I'm cleaning up my act and moving on. In the silence of my room, I'll sleep all night and get up at noon. There's nothing to distract me in my dreams. Like a pillow on my face, no one can hurt or invade my space. I still walk the streets with my head high. And though I wonder where I'd be if no one had helped or remembered me, I know my own will has got me through. I know why I should try to find out why I feel so There's a comfort to be found when you find out there's no one else around to set your mind off track and lead you on. And though I wonder what I'd do if you hadn't told me to see it through, I know I could make it without you. I know I should try to find out why I feel so high. Coming up again to get a breath of air. In the water everything is fine. Now we'll stay in here until the day is through. For a while I'd like to feel the buzzing in my head. I know why I should try to find out why I feel so high.
So that is the end of the loop. A beautiful view from the dam. Parking lot is right on the other side of the building. As you can see, I think just the loop around the lake is its own trail. When you add on the fire tower trail, you get that extra workout. I think this is probably going to be one of my new frequent visits for working out. So very cool trail. Hope you enjoyed the views. And if you are in the area, definitely visit Bays Mountain and check out all the animals. Check out the building. They have a planetarium. Great shows. Hope you enjoyed this hike, and I will see you next time. Please subscribe. Just take a few seconds, click the button down below. I'm trying to bring the highest quality hiking videos to YouTube, and that means I'm going to show you maps, trail highlights, all the best views on the trail, any good picnic spots, any wildlife we see, all in 4K high quality video. And we'll see you on the next hike.